So in this video, we're going to talk about, are there certain rules about naming a variable? And actually, there are a couple of rules. They're quite simple, but it's important to know. So a variable name could contain anything which is a number, an alphabet, or an underscore. It can begin with an alphabet or an underscore, but cannot begin with a number. Let's understand this with the help of an example. We are saying x is being assigned a value 5. So x is an alphabet. This is a valid variable name. Let's just run this. So it works. Similarly, can we say x1 is a valid variable name? It's a combination of an alphabet and a number, and we are assigning it a value 10. This again works. Can we say x underscore 1? So alphabet, underscore, and a number, and we are assigning it another value, which is 20. This works as well. Can we just write x underscore and assign it a value? This too works. Can we just write underscore x and assign it a value? So it's now beginning with an underscore and we are assigning it a value. But the condition relative to the presence of characters like alphabets, underscores, and numbers, it's kind of valid here. So underscore is a valid entry, x is a valid entry, and we are assigning it a value. This again works. Can we write underscore x1? This again works because this is a valid combination. But if we try to name it like this, if we write 1x, so remember, we cannot start the name of a variable with a number. That's against the rules. If we'll run this, it'll lead to an error. It says syntax error. Let's move to the next option. Can we write 1 underscore x? Again, one and the same problem. We cannot start the name of a variable with a number. This is an important rule that we need to remember. Again, it says there is a syntax error. And another rule related to the variable names is that we cannot use the keywords as variable names. So what are keywords? These are certain words which are reserved by the programming language to perform certain specific tasks. If you want to check a list of keywords, you can always import the library called keywords and use keyword list attribute to get the list of keywords. And you can also check how many keywords are there. So let's just run this. These are the kind of keywords we have, and these are 35 keywords in Python as of now. Now let's say there's one keyword here which is called if. If I move to the right, you'll be able to see this. There's a keyword called if. Now, if I use this keyword as a variable name, let's see what happens. So we are taking a variable called if and assigning it a value 5, and let's see what happens. This leads to an error again. So we cannot use keywords as the variable names. That's another rule. Can we use any other character apart from alphabet, numbers, and underscores? The answer is no. For example, if you try to use a hyphen here, you say x-1 and you try to assign it a value, this would again lead to an error. So this was a quick tutorial on how to choose the variable names. What are the rules?